Hi, welcome guys. My name is Nagman Qureshi, and I wanted to let you know my amazing experience with Golden State Trailers. Um, our Cenario's pizza location first went open in 1986, and we have ventured out into getting our new trailer. We're going to be parked at 4960 Oliver Street. And I also want to let you guys know the relationship. It was the first time we used Golden State Trailers. From the moment that we inquired about getting a trailer, 3 months later, we have this brand new product. Mike was our rep. He took care of us from day one to 3 months from now. And we are incredibly grateful on how his input versus what we wanted to do with our trailer and what the result is. The process was so simple. We could call them anytime. They took care of us. I definitely recommend getting Golden State Trailers, part of your business when you guys get into buying a new trailer for your business. They cater and customize everything to your likings. And great. We're super excited. We'll be there again at 4960 Oliver Street. And we'll check you guys out then. All right.